bacon. That's my bacon topping that is going on the baked potato. And over there is the cheese. That's quarter cheese and sour cream. That would be the dressing. You're watching this. You're watching Winston, Jim. Bacon. Okay. Bacon toppings. Alright, the shrimps there. A bit crispy. I dried out a little bit too much.